winter. Now, I'm the first to admit I might not be the biggest fan of the colder season, but I've discovered that by embracing all aspects and going on an adventure, I can find joy in the colder months. So here's an account of all the things we got up to during our winter escape at Prince Edward County. We are right off of County Road number 12, and we are spending the winter holidays here at Maple Rest Heritage House, a part of Ontario Park Sandbanks. Excited to spend the next 2 days right here and checking out the county. So this is what you see when you first enter Maple Rest. Some stairs leading up to the second floor, a look through the kitchen, the beautiful doorway that was expanded, a part of the renovations that was done by Ontario Parks in 1998. And I'm gonna walk through to the living room. You can see all the furniture and tapestry and fixtures are here to complement the Victorian and century home feel of the place. Of course, the house is built in 1863 by Daniel Perrett. He actually owned a few lots here, and I'm going to show you the view out from the front porch, looking out right into County Road number 12. Cabinet here has some entertainment system. Got a TV, satellite, pretty cool, and one of the first bedrooms here. So a part of the 1998 renovations, all the bedrooms now have their own ensuite, so you can have your friends all stay here at the same house. Pretty cool. And here's the awesome dining area. Again, the furnishings to complete our heritage home look. What I love here is the kitchenette area where you can look out, and also this cute antique set table and chair, perfect spot for your morning coffee. And in addition, we have a beautiful porch where you can gaze out into the lake and also enjoy some meals or just some good hangout times. All right, obviously we gotta go up the stairs and see what's happening on the second floor. This door leads out to the upstairs deck. Also, amazing view. Let's see if I can get this. There we go. Got some crisp snow here. View of the lake. I'm gonna walk down there later to show you the view. And let me show you the rest of the 3 bedrooms here. Whew. Okay. This is a cozy turquoise bedroom number 2, plus its own ensuite washroom again. Another ensuite, and the 3rd bedroom, lovely pink. Here we go, master bedroom. View of the front of the house and its own whirlpool jet infused bathtub. You can even take a shower and look out to the front yard. Pretty good in my opinion. All right, so that's the complete tour of Maple Rest. We had some dumplings for dinner and spent the first evening planning for the next day. In the morning, we were greeted to a beautiful sunrise over the county, and I made a simple breakfast of sausages, eggs, and toast before we headed out through the backyard to take in the lake view. We made it to the lake. It has completely frozen over, and this is right behind Maple Rest Heritage House. Great view. I definitely could not get enough of the lake, so we had to drive out to see more of the Sandbanks Provincial Park, go on a hike, and take it all in. No trip to the county is complete for me unless I visit Devonshire. I love this place so much that the view, the food has brought me back during all of my summer weekend getaways. We indulged in some brunch and left plenty of time to go out through the back, down the steps, and take in more of the lake. Now, if you think I was frozen over after all the hiking and all the lake viewing, well, clearly I did not feel it. In the afternoon, we explored more of the county, visited Bloomfield, saw a few different shops, and went to the market. Before it got too dark, we made our way back to Maple Rest. I flexed my cooking muscle, made some pan-fried portobello mushrooms and dumplings, as well as some salad. The next day, as the geese headed south, so did we. I hope you enjoyed all our adventures at Prince Edward County, and I'll see you the next time when we teleport to somewhere new.